And draw off. Early lead is taken by Top Stratum. Litong Lito in between horses. Valkyrie on the outside. Moving up on the inside. Just Dreaming. Amazing Call. And Pilya is trailing the group. The lead is taken over now by entry number 3. Top Stratum. Followed by Litong Lito. Moving up on the inside. Just Dreaming. Valkyrie on the outside. Amazing Call. A very close pip. And trailing the group is Pilya. At the mid-back stretch, it is still Top Stratum in the lead. It's Top Stratum, followed by Just Dreaming, moving up on the inside. Valkyrie on the farther outside in third. Amazing Call, and Litong Lito moving up on the outside. And at the last bend for home, the lead is taken over now by Just Dreaming. It's Just Dreaming in the lead, followed by Valkyrie on the outside, and Top Stratum in between horses. And into the home stretch, Just Dreaming, Top Stratum, Valkyrie moving up on the farther outside. It is still Just Dreaming in the lead, followed by Valkyrie on the outside. It is now Valkyrie on the outside, Just Dreaming by the rail, Top Stratum, and Amazing Call. Valkyrie on the outside, and by the rail, Just Dreaming, Valkyrie, Just Dreaming, and finally at the payoff line, it's going to be entry number 6, Valkyrie, Just Dreaming, Amazing Call, Top Stratum, Pilya, and Litong Lito.
6143 order